So in this video, we are going to solve another past paper question, which is from October-November 2015, paper 2, variant 2. Okay, so here we go. It says 2 points have coordinates A, 2 points A and B have coordinates -3, 2, 9, 8 respectively. All right, find the coordinates of the point C, where the line AB cuts the y-axis. Okay, so the first things first, we want the equation of the line AB. So A has coordinates -3, 2, and B has coordinates 9, 8. So we want their equation. So I'll have to find the gradient, which means -3 plus, it's about to find the midpoint. Okay, so 8 minus 2 over 9 minus -3. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus -3 is 9 plus 3, which is 12, which means that the gradient is 1/2. Okay, and we can use any one of the 2 points. So I'm going to go with B because it's all positive. So y minus y1 equals to m. You could have gone with A also, it makes absolutely no difference. So y minus 8 is equals to 1/2 times x minus 9. So 2y minus 16 is equals to x minus 9, which means 2y minus x equals to -9 plus 16. So let's not risk it, equals to 7. And there you go, you have your equation. But it's not the final answer. You want the point at which it cuts the y-axis, so that means x is going to be equal to 0. So which means, so basically this is what you're looking for, 0 comma y. Okay, so I plugged in 0 in place of x, which means y is equals to 7/2. And the coordinates of C are now going to be 0 comma 7/2. 7/2, of course, you can write as 3.5 or 3 whole 1/2, whatever you wish. Then it says find the coordinates of D, which is the midpoint of AB, so that should be a no-brainer. Let's write down the coordinates of A, -3, 2. Let's write down the coordinates of B, 9, 8. Midpoint is basically the x coordinates summed up, okay, and then divide by 2. So -3 plus 9/2, and then 2 plus 8/2. So -3 plus 9 is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3, 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 upon 2 is 5. So there you go, we have the coordinates of M, which is 3, 5. The midpoint, did it give it another name? Oh yeah, I did give it another name. So D is 3, 5. Anyway, that takes care of that. Then it says find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so very nice in the sense that the question made us do everything step by step. So we have the point at which the perpendicular bisector will be passing, and that's basically the midpoint. So that's 3, 5. And we also have the gradient. Well, we don't really have the gradient, but we have the gradient of the line AB, which was 1/2. Let me just double check. Yeah, it was 1/2, which means that the gradient of the perpendicular bisector is going to be -2. And now we just put it all together. So y minus 5 equals to -2, x minus 3. So we're looking at y minus 5 equals to -2x plus 6, which means y is equals to -2x plus 11. And there you go. This is your final answer. Then we have part 4, which says the perpendicular bisector AB cuts the y-axis at point E. So if you have a point that's cutting the y-axis, so that means its x coordinate is going to be equal to 0. So I'm going to plug in 0 comma y. So y remains y. 0 plus 11. So I don't really have to write 0, but anyway. So now we have the coordinates of E. They are 0 comma 11. Okay. Now we come to part 4, which says show that the area of triangle ABE is 4 times the area of triangle ECD. Now, since we're dealing with area here, it's best to use the formula that we have been using, that we have learned. Okay. I will not waste my time to sketch the triangle and then find out the area, because I may end up with the triangle, the area of which I can easily calculate, or may not. Okay. So I don't want to waste my time doing that. I'll just straight away use the formula that we know, we know that will work for any shape there is. Okay. So we'll write down the coordinates of A. So the coordinates of A are -3, 2. Let's just double check. And B is 9, 8. Yeah. -3, 2. The coordinates of B are 9, 8. The coordinates of E are 0, 11. We just work them out. And then this will give me the area of triangle ABE. So you know what? I'll first work this out before I move on to ECD. So I'll write -3, 2, and then 9, 8, and then 0, 11, and then finally I'll write down the coordinates of the first point, which is -3, 2. Okay, now we cross multiply. So first we multiply from left to right. So -3 times 8 is -24, and then 9 times 11 is 99, and then 0 times 2 is 0, and then we put a minus sign, and then we multiply from right to left. So -3 times 11 is -33, 0 times 8 is 0, and then 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so -24 plus 99 is 75, and then -33 plus 18 is -15, is it? Yeah. And then we multiply this by 1/2. So 75 minus 15 is 75 plus 15, which is 90, and 90 upon 2 is 45. So we'll put this on the side here, and the area of ECD, if we do everything right, our answer should be 1/4 of 45, which is 11.25. That is if we do everything right. So let's write down the coordinates of E. There is 0, 11. The coordinates of C, did we work it out? Of course we did. I'm sure we did. Where's C? Yeah, 0, 3.5 or 0, 7/2. And then D, which again we worked out 0, 11 if I remember correctly. No, sorry, 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, so we'll use the exact same method. We'll write 0, 11, we'll write 0, 3.5, we'll write 3, 5, and then 0, 11 again. Okay, then we multiply from left to right, so 0, then 0 times 5 is also 0, 3 times 11 is 33, okay, and then we put a minus sign, make another bracket, and then we multiply from right to left. So 0 times 5 is 0, 3 times 3.5, what's that? 3 times 3.5 is 10.5. And then 0 times 11, which is also 0. Okay, and then we just simplify and see if the answer is indeed 11.25. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So we have 33 minus 10.5. 33 minus 10.5 is 23.5. 23.5 into 1/2. Let's see. Is in fact, no, wait a minute. I think I've done something wrong here. 23.5. Wait, 33 minus 10.5 is not 23.5. 33 minus 10.5 is in fact 22.5. Okay, so 22.5 divided by 2 is 11.25, and you can see that 4 times 11.25 is in fact equal to 45, which basically is evidence to the fact that the area of triangle is 4 times the area of triangle ABE is 4 times the area of triangle ECD. Just to be sure, 11.25 times 4 is in fact 45. So there you go. That brings me to the end of this question and also to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.